Alright, Mommy's going to go ahead and slay this first. Go ahead, Mommy.
Georgie TV, SpongeBob edition.
SpongeBob edition.
Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob Square Pants.
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
SpongeBob Square Pants.
His nautical nonsense be something you wish.
SpongeBob Square Pants.
Then drop on the deck and flop like a fish.
SpongeBob Square Pants.
Ready? SpongeBob Square Pants. SpongeBob Square Pants.
SpongeBob Square Pants.
I sing that to my friends.
Oh, you did that great.
Singing that to your friends?
This is a special SpongeBob.
Square Pants.
Special SpongeBob edition. We've got Captain Georgie, and we've got Mrs. Hands assisting him, and we've got a special guest, the Captain himself. Arr, Georgie. Hey, Georgie.
What is it?
Why are pirates called pirates?
I don't know.
Well, they just are. Okay, let's open up some of them presents.
Okay.
What do we have today, Mrs. Hands?
Well, it looks like we have some little vinyl figures. We have Patrick. We have Plankton. And we have Gary. And in the big figures, we have Mr. Crab and Patrick. What are we going to open first?
This one.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead and open it. Let's see what it looks like.
Look.
Who are these made by, Mrs. Hands?
I think Nickelodeon makes the little vinyl ones, and then the big ones are made by Uncle.
Looks like UNKL, Uncle, by Unipo. It's the Nickelodeon SpongeBob Square Pants line. Well, these look like they might be a little difficult to open. Hey, Georgie, you need a hook with that?
You need some help?
No, Mr. Hands. No, Captain.
No, Captain.
I get in it.
I think he needs a hand there, Mrs. Hands.
No.
You sure? You gonna get it on your own? He's getting awfully good at this.
Here's Bob Paper.
You wanna sing it again?
Just a minute.
Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob Square Pants.
Hey, Georgie.
What is it?
How much did the pirate pay for his earrings?
I don't know.
A buccaneer.
I need some help there, Cat.
Okay, Mommy, help. Mrs. Hands will help.
They're very highly detailed little vinyl figures. They look really pretty. Very sharp. Let's give him a hand, Mrs. Hands. Open up a couple of the other ones. Give him some help. Let's see. Who have you got there, Georgie?
I don't know yet.
Let's see.
Patrick.
Is it Patrick?
Seen it?
How does Patrick talk?
Hi, SpongeBob.
That's it. Hi, SpongeBob. Where are you going to today, SpongeBob?
I got it. I want to get it. I get it now.
Hey, SpongeBob, we're on Georgie TV.
I'm gonna got that, SpongeBob.
Who's next, Mrs. Hands?
This is Plankton.
This is Plankton.
Hey, Georgie.
What is it?
What are pirates afraid of?
They don't know.
The dark. Oh.
I need some help there, Captain.
I need some help, Captain.
I still need
Give him the hook there, Mrs. Hands.
I need help.
boxes. I live in here. I live. Gary, help, Plankton.
Is Plankton the bad guy?
Plankton's the one that's always trying to steal the secret recipe for Krabby Patties.
Yep.
Now, who's this one we're opening now?
I don't know. That might be a duplicate.
Hello, Gary. That's SpongeBob pet Gary. How does Gary sound?
That's how Gary sounds?
He does.
How does Gary sound again?
Gary sounds like a cat.
Who else we got next, Mrs. Hands?
This is.
Who is that?
Yeah, that's open. What is this, Tammy?
Patrick.
I think that one's called Fat Patrick.
Fat plastic.
Fat Patrick? Really?
Do you know how Fat Patrick sounds?
What?
He sounds the same, he's just fat. Right, SpongeBob?
Remember? Alien.
Now, who's that?
Octopus.
Octopus. You want to see this top?
Turn it around so they can see it.
I collected them.
You collecting them?
Yeah.
Turn on so we can see him.
You can see the back.
I can't see the back. Oops.
I am an alien.
Hey, Georgie, what grades did a pirate get in school?
I don't know, Captain. What are you opening next?
Why, the high seas! Arr, arr, arr,
What
arr,
are
arr,
you opening next, down there?
Who's that?
I don't know. Yeah, open it.
Mr. Crab.
It open it.
Now, who's Mr. Krab? Is that SpongeBob's boss? Is that right?
Uh-huh.
He owns the Krabby Patty?
Krusty Krab.
The Krusty Krab. Oh, Daddy got to watch more SpongeBob.
Mommy, what does opening next? What opening next?
Well, let's see what you got there.
What does opening next? What does opening next?
Oh, it's a money bag.
Money bag. They got Krusty Pads in it.
Does it have Krabby Patties in it?
Yeah.
You think so?
Well, that is some very nice figures. The detail work and the painting is beautiful on them. They're all vinyl figures, all made by Unipo. They're very nice. What do you think of them, Georgie?
Mommy, opening next.
Well, we got to finish opening these. Do you not want to play with your SpongeBobs for a little bit?
No.
Well, let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and play with our SpongeBobs, and then we'll see what we're going to do next time. So, Georgie, you want to say goodbye for Georgie TV for this week?
I want sleep and sleep and eat.
You sleep and eat. You like to do that after Georgie TV, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's end it with all of us singing SpongeBob, okay? Here we go. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob Square Pants.
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
I got the,
we just ended the song right there.
SpongeBob Square Pants.
Okay, one more pirate thing. Captain, what you want to ask him one more question? What do you call a pirate with 2 eyes and 2 legs?
no, Captain.
Well, a rookie. Arr, arr, arr.
And eat and eat.
Okay, you got to sign off for this week for Georgie TV.
I want to sleep down here.
Okay, we sleep down here. We eat down here, and we shoot a new Georgie TV every 2 hours, okay?
Is that be a good idea?
Okay.
All right, say bye-bye for Georgie TV.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye for Georgie TV.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
All right, you're dressed as a pirate. Give me your pirate sound. Arr.
I'm on Cody Fast. There you go, Captain.
Bye-bye, Georgie TV. Arr.
I sleep and sleep down here.
give me R like a pirate.
Say arr.
I want to sleep and sleep down here.
That's how you take it out. Bye-bye, Georgie TV. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.